Hello everyone, I am Rasheeda Banu, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Studies, JJ College of Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to explain the topic Data Warehouse in Power BI. This presentation explores the powerful synergy between data warehouse and Power BI. We will cover architecture, connection methods, effective data modeling, and real-world use case to demonstrate how Power BI serves as a robust business intelligence tool for data warehouse, especially Azure SQL data warehouse. So what is Azure SQL data warehouse? It is a managed data warehouse as a service offering provided by Microsoft Azure. Data warehouse. Data warehouse is a central repository which integrates and stores data from various operational sources including CRM, ERP, and other databases. And it is a single source of truth. It ensures data consistency and reliability across the enterprise. Third one is analytics optimized. It is specifically designed for historical analysis, trend reporting, and large scale queries. Fourth one is not for transaction. Distinguished from OLTP, which is online transaction processing system which handle day-to-day transactional processing, whereas OLTP is a type of data processing that handles a large volume of short online transactions in real time. Next is data warehouse characteristics. There are four characteristics in data warehouse. First one is subject oriented, second one is integrated, third one is time variant, fourth one is non-volatile. So subject oriented. A data warehouse focuses on specific subjects or business area such as sales, marketing or finance rather than ongoing operations of an organization. This allows for more focused analysis and reporting around specific business needs. Second one is integrated. Data from various sources consolidated and transformed into consistent format within the data warehouse. Third one is time variant. Data in a data warehouse is stored with a historical perspective, includes past data alongside current data. So fourth one is non-volatile. Data in the data warehouse is not updated or deleted frequently. Once data is loaded, it remains for historical analysis. Next is Power BI and data warehouse relationship. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence platform which is developed by Microsoft that allows users to visualize and analyze data from various sources. And it helps the user create interactive dashboards and reports and also to gain actionable insights from their data. Next, the Power BI acts as a dynamic self-service business intelligence layer which is for which is for visualizing the vast data sets within a data warehouse, and it is typical for enterprises seeking robust analytics. Next is there are some aspects in relationship with between Power BI and data warehouse. First one is data source integration. Second one is data modeling. Third one is ETL and performance. Fourth one is security and governance. So first data source integration. Power BI connects to data warehouse where it can import data or query it live using direct query or live connection. So second one is data modeling. Data from warehouses typically pre-modeled and then Power BI build semantic model. For example, hierarchies and relationships. Third one is ETL and performance. ETL is extract, transform, load. Work is usually done in warehouse. This reduces Power BI load times and improve performance and also scalability. Fourth one is security and governance. So in security and governance, first one is the data governance starts in data warehouse and it controls who can see or access the data. Second one is Power BI respect those rules when connected to the data warehouse. Third one is Power BI works well with tools like Azure Active Directory from secure sign-in. So fourth one is data lineage tool shows where the data came from, helping to trace the issues or changes. Next is then it shared the data sets and certified data sources to promote the trusted reporting. And the workspace in the Power BI provide role-based access, whereas viewers, contributor, and admin. Next heading is data modeling, star schema in Power BI. So what is star schema? Star schema is a foundational design for data warehouse which is significantly boosting the performance and usability within the Power BI. In star schema, it represents with only one fact table and with many dimension tables. So in dimension table, it has a set of attributes. For example, here I take sales data of a company. In that, fact table is at the center and it contains key to each of four dimension tables. So in dimension table contains certain attributes like dollar sold, unit sold, item name, brand type, etc. Next is data modeling star schema in Power BI. So the star schema is a foundational design for data warehouse, which is significantly boosting the performance and usability within the Power BI. Here, the fact table is used to store the quantitative measures like sales amounts or quantities, and the dimension table have certain attributes like product name, customer details, or dates. This normalized structure simplifies the complex queries and improves report generation that speed up in Power BI. Here some examples. In Sales Analytics dashboard, the Power BI provides a comprehensive sales analytics dashboard offering a dynamic insights into business performance in three categories. First is integrated data. So integrated data warehouse combines sales transaction with product customer time data and creating a unified view. And second one is interactive reporting. So Power BI reports product category and time period that allows granular analysis. Next is real-time insights. Queries sent to Azure SQL data warehouse directly to ensure the dashboard that provides up to the minute sales trends and performance metrics. Next, the best practices for Power BI and data warehouse integration. First is adopt star schema. It design your data model with star schema for optimal query performance and intuitive reporting. Second, leverage warehouse power. Avoid processing large flat files in Power BI. Utilize the data warehouse for heavy data transformation. Third is choose query mode wisely. Use direct query for real-time data and needs and import mode for enhanced performance on static data. Fourth is secure data access. Implement robust security measures using Azure Active Directory and multiple factor authentication. At the end, we came to summarize the entire concept. First one is data warehouse. It is a centralized enterprise data that provides a robust foundation for business intelligence. Second one is Power BI integration, which connects seamlessly to data warehouse, offering interactive data exploration and visualization. Next is star schema, which is essential for optimizing Power BI performance and simplifying complex analytical queries. And last is Explore, Azure SQL Data Warehouse and Power BI to build a scalable and high performance analytics solution for your organization. So if you have any feedback, kindly send to this mail ID. Thank you.